Your respectable audience, look at this portion. It will be equal to 2. And also look at this portion. It will be also equal to 2. 2 times 2. What will be answered? It will be 4. But I have mentioned here that answer should not be equal to 4. So there is mistake. And we have to remove that mistake to solve it and get correct answer. This question can be solved by a rule of order of operation, which is known as PEMDAS rule. E stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So the priority is parenthesis. So 7 minus 5 will be our priority, it is parenthesis. So we will get 2. And the remaining portion 7 minus 5 as it is. Now don't solve this because it's not order of operation. Exponent is missing. Multiplication is there. So we will solve this portion now according to PEMDAS rule. So we will get 7 minus 10. Hence after last step we will get minus 3, which will be our correct answer for this question. Thank you for your support.